What is up, everybody? How's it going? Sad for the people in California. If you didn't know, I'm reading it right now. There's a new thing on Revzilla from Jen Dunstan, if I could read, that let's see here. New California rule makes most of 2022 dirt bikes illegal on public lands. And I'm not going to get into the super, car history thing about this, because I live in the Northeast where we don't understand these things, but apparently in California there's red stickers and green stickers. Green stickers means it meets California's EPA regulations, whatever. Red stickers means it's basically a race bike only, which, as we all know, that's never going to happen. People will still buy red stickers and ride them wherever they want because, obviously they're probably more powerful bikes, or obviously being less EPA restrictive, they're going to have less back pressure, less flow restrictions, so they're probably going to be faster bikes. Obviously, being a red sticker meant for racing, they're going to be more powerful, faster bikes, which is what most people want, blah 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 blah, etc etc. But as it is now, there's a new let's see here, I was just reading it, whatever. Basically, California is making a new rule saying that pretty much I think it's like 90% of the bikes, or 99% of the bikes, are going to be, not green sticker, not for use on public land, only for use for, a certain amount of years that there's racing, or when there are racing events, whatever you want to call it. So that's big. I mean, that's really, really big when you consider how many people are in California, how much land there is in California. You're talking deserts, you're talking mountains, whatever it is. All the people who buy motorcycles and go ride them on trails, in the desert, all that kind of stuff, if they can't be stickered now or registered, and they're not supposed to be or not allowed on public lands, well, there's right here, I'm reading it as right now, it's a 20 OHV, which is off-road vehicles, whatever you want to call it, recreation, has a $20 billion a year economic benefit to the state of California. How accurate that is, I don't know. If that's apparently coming from California Motorcycle Dealers Association and the Motorcycle Industry Council, MIC. That's $20 billion a year that they're, people buying bikes, buying parts for bikes, buying tires, gas, buying, especially for dealers, buying clothing, or not clothing, but jerseys and everything like that, boots, helmets, goggles, gloves. Like, that's a lot of money, $20 billion. And red sticker registration, so race bikes, registering a bike that's red stickered, is $5 million a year. That's a lot. Just on the money side of it, that's $20 billion a year that could be impacted because people are either going to, obviously there's still going to be people who buy them and ride them wherever they want because they don't care, but you're also just going to get the fact of, what about all the people who do it and then tickets, and oh my god, it's just bad. It's just crazy to me. $20 billion, that's a lot. I don't know. If you live in California, I feel really bad for you. It's crazy. The fact that gas is, one, super so high for you all the time. Two, the fact that you got stuff like this that you can't just go buy any dirt bike you like and ride it wherever you want. You got to have the certain bike and a certain day and a certain place and a certain sticker. That's crazy. So, I don't know. If you tell me down in the comments below. Do you live in California? Is this going to affect you? Or do you live in another part of the country and you're just looking at it like me, like, damn, California's got some good weather, but some really, really crazy laws. But, share, as you're scrolling down to comment, hit the little like button, subscribe, the little bell, click that, and you'll know when I'm posting. Comment down below, share it if you really, really like it, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.